Here's some filial piety trivia. Subscribe. What is the term for respect towards elderly? Is it A, elder reverence, B, ageism, C, generational gap, or D, youth admiration? The correct answer is A, elder reverence. Who is the founder of Confucianism? Is it A, Confucius, B, Sun Tzu, C, Laozi, or Zhuangzi? The correct answer is A, Confucius. Which festival celebrates ancestors in China? Is it A, Dragon Boat Festival, B, Lantern Festival, C, Qingming Festival, or D, Mid-Autumn Festival? The correct answer is Qingming Festival. What term describes care for parents in old age? Is it A, elder care, B, senior housing, C, assisted living, or D, pension planning? The correct answer is A, elder care. What is the principle of taking care of one's family? Is it A, family loyalty, B, financial stability, C, obedience to rules, or D, strict discipline? The correct answer is A, family loyalty. What historical figure emphasized filial relationships? Is it A, Mencius, B, Zhou Enlai, C, Sun Tzu, or D, Laozi? The correct answer is A, Mencius. Which value emphasizes familial harmony? Is it A, social equality, B, individual success, C, economic prosperity, or D, interpersonal harmony? The correct answer is D, interpersonal harmony. In which country is the holidays of respect for parents observed? Is it A, Thailand, B, Taiwan, C, South Korea, or D, Japan? The correct answer is B, Taiwan. What term is used for honoring one's parents and ancestors? Is it A, ancestral veneration, B, spiritual connection, C, family reunion, or D, cultural remembrance? The correct answer is A, ancestral veneration. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.